What's going on, everybody? Josh, ringutterbusiness.com. Today we have a great upsell for you guys that live and work in the mountains and need a little bit extra gutter support. So let me show you what we got. All right, so one of the things that we offer our customers, it's called the Polar Package. And what we do is double up our hangers. We use Raytech hidden hangers, and then use a better screw for this system. So we charge like an extra $2 a foot, sell as, it's called the Polar Package, and makes these things, almost twice as strong. So hanger every foot, better screw. So you're giving the customer more value for the stronger gutters, and then you're also making a little more money. It definitely doesn't cost another $2 a foot to put double the hangers in. So it's like, what would it be, like 30 cents a foot more. So we use a ceramic 2-inch screw with a rubber washer, and it has a little better, can't remember what they call it, like corrosion life or whatever. So you could also do stainless steel or whatever, but we found these work really well. So if you guys want to give your customers a better product, stronger, and make a little bit more on your money, make sure and add on the Polar Package. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one.